club को I had to meet us and then assured the support of all the country club members and country club per se. वही support से आज जुबली हिल्स में Amla and Menega, they should be thanked actually for having shown so much faith in our brand. And our brand, as you know, Country Club cares. It doesn't only care for the members, but the extension of the families, the pets also. So, my dear friends, this is something I think we all have to look up to, and then not just leave dogs as dogs. They are more faithful than human beings. They make very good friends, very affectionate. And basically, I am a wildlife person also. We have built a beautiful wildlife in Bandipur. It is packed. When I पहले शुरू करे वक्त कोई नहीं जाता था because they were scared of the wild. But I had taken Pooja Bedi along with the entire media from Bombay to Bandipur 3 दिन के लिए. I mean, it was such a beautiful experience for the entire members because members were scared to go into the forest. Whereas Pooja Bedi brought her children into the forest along with us. So we have to take the lead. I think it is very simple. Lead, follow, or get out of the way. So anyhow, we choose to lead. And today the Bandipur property also is packed. And you have the largest number of tigers there, apart from Jim Corbett. But there is a heaven for all the members in Bombay also. So my dear friends, after some time we will showcase Menega Gandhi's visit and Amla's party, last month's party, and you will understand our commitment towards animals and especially dogs, how strong it is and what the difference it makes to human being.
आप हाल ही में बैंकॉक यात्रा की जैसा किस तरह का अनुभव रहा है आपका शेयर करेंगे?
Oh, Bangkok full of action and full of Indians also. All entrepreneurs in Bangkok, 90% of the people are Indians. So Punjab से रहता, कोई Bombay से रहता, कोई Hyderabad से रहता. In fact, we have tied up with 4 properties, franchise properties, and we have got our own arrangements. But everybody welcoming Country Club. I felt very happy because, not because of anything else, because the Country Club is known even in Thailand. And people, they came and in large numbers they wanted to meet me. All they wanted was a handshake from the Country Club members and the brand. So बहुत अच्छा था. It was a very interesting.
कंट्री क्लब कितने साल की यात्रा पूरी कर चुकी है और फ्रेंचाइजी को लेकर क्या कुछ प्लान है आपका?
35 years, 1989 में शुरू करें अपन पैलेस ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ हैदराबाद कंट्री क्लब, एज यू नो. वहाँ से शुरुआत करें, वहाँ से लेकर अभी 35 years हो गए. वी हैव गॉट अबाउट 100 clubs now. उसमें 35 own clubs and 65 franchisee models. We are going to extend the franchisee models to all the Asian countries and if possible even places like London where there are a lot of Indian settlements. So पलट के देखें तो एक ही only one house was, dilapidated house was there, which was the palace of the Prime Minister of Hyderabad, meant for monumental preservation. So उसको कैसा प्रिजर्व करके how best to take it forward. Then the idea Country Club came, and today we are standing here in Bombay and talking about Thailand. It's really amazing.
कंट्री क्लब यूथ के लिए कुछ कर रहा है, यूथ के लिए
Yes, youth के लिए I always tell, don't stop, no drugs, no smoking, and no alcohol. This is what I tell my own children. So Country Club is nothing but an extension of my family. So I would treat them more like independent individuals, and I have a lot of confidence that maybe even it can be an inspiration to a lot of youngsters, and people come there to the health club gym. They can also, it is one of the best gyms in Bombay actually. So a lot of stars also come here. So my dear friends, yes, we are contributing to the children also.
अभी हाल ही में आपने वीआईपी कार्ड लॉन्च किया था बैंकॉक वाला, उसका क्या अभी पोजीशन है, कुछ बार कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
The response has been very good. It's been terrific actually. A lot of inquiries. A lot of people want to go to Pattaya, to Bangkok, and Phuket. So and currency also is this thing बहुत अपन 100 रुपये कर लेंगे तो वहाँ 3.5 times ज़्यादा है. So you will 10 bottles, you can get 350, 35 bahts. It's very economical for a traveler. So if you are talking about economy, if you are talking about Thailand, Thailand is the place. We can burn our money there.
आज कंट्री क्लब में डार्लिंग डे पे कुछ ऑफर है, जो जीतेगा उसे क्या इनाम मिल सकता है?
उन लोगों को वोट देना में
सेंटर में थोड़ा ये साथ में
Okay.
या
What is the price we are giving?
इस 2.25 ना
Yeah, it is priced at chalo, what I card. That card we are going to gift it to the winner of the.
यस
आज वैलेंटाइन डे पे आज कंट्री क्लब के परिवारों को क्या संदेश देना चाहे?
Well, live happily, bond with your family, spend more time with your children and wife. Of course, my wife will get angry with me. नहीं क्या होता है मॉर्निंग से लेकर रात तक हम कीप ऑन वर्किंग सो वी आर बेसिकली टर्म्ड एज वर्कोहॉलिक्स बट इंडस्ट्री इज सच ए ब्यूटीफुल इंडस्ट्री यू टेंड टू मीट लवली पीपल लाइक यू एंड Raila and of course so many other people are there and we are having a terrific show. I don't think so. My advice to entrepreneurs or youngsters is you get into a business which you can hug and hold and be affectionate. So if you really love your business, there is not one single day you feel like you are working. I never feel that I am working. सुबह से लेकर नाइट तक I'll be in and out of my office or my house. But how many hours you require? 7-8 hours you require to sleep or talk to your wife or children. But as I was telling you, I am the luckiest person in the world maybe because of being a part of the country club, chairman of the country club. Apart from that, being the brand ambassador, doing skydiving was not an easy thing. 13,500 feet में किया मैं, and that jump was perfectly captured by Mani Shankar, the filmmaker. And I was just thinking, they were telling me, Mr. Reddy, don't do that, it's dangerous for you. I was just telling myself, anything for country club. If anything happens also, I was telling them nothing will go wrong. And it was really a fantastic experience.
इस
Like
तरह
this.
के प्रोग्राम सर बहुत शहर में कम होते हैं, तो ऐसे प्रोग्राम रखने का मकसद क्या रहा है कंट्री क्लब?
It is a platform for a lot of people who are coming to Bombay, who are in Bombay. Rates are very economical. We've got a beautiful health club, lovely swimming pool. What we are having, I don't think anybody is having at this level. And
मल्टी जनरेशन
मुंबई की जनता है कुछ मैसेज देना चाहते हैं कंट्री क्लब की तरफ से?
बॉम्बे की जनता यस बॉम्बे से मेरे को बहुत आई जस्ट शेयर वन एग्जांपल विद यू आई वाज सिटिंग वन डे विद राजेश खन्ना इन द फ्लाइट टू हैदराबाद बॉम्बे टू हैदराबाद व्हेन ही वाज देयर मेनी इयर्स बैक so he was telling me just when I started the country club they have seen all the hoardings of mine like this so he just wavered like this because he was sitting in the next seat. So I told Rajesh Khanna sahab, I am a big fan. And I told him, then he told me, Mr. Reddy, Bombay will give you only one chance. And my name is Jatin. Bombay, whatever I am because of Bombay. So Bombay respects hard work, Bombay respects entrepreneurship. And Bombay is very beautiful and a big city full of inspiration. खाली Bombay का हवा खाया तो बस है. That is what I tell my people. Go to Bombay. Initially, when I first came, we didn't know. Even here, place what we are seeing is like mine gada tha pura. So, in fact, a lot of people commented why Mr. Reddy has taken this place. क्या हुआ अभी देखो पूरा बदल